Want to create stunning intertwined circles in Adobe Illustrator? Let's do it in just 60 seconds.
Now for the magic. Select all by pressing Ctrl+I. Or simply, select the circles you want to. Intertwine. Next, go to the Object menu. Choose Intertwine, and then click Make. Now, draw a circular motion on each pair you want to intertwine. The circles are now intertwined. There's nothing hard about Adobe Illustrator. Practice more to master the skill. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more interesting videos.